And very clear din po dito sa atin kung sino yung lumalapit sa ating Panginoon. People, who are these people approaching our Lord? Kung titingnan po natin, by the fact that they are only wishing to touch even the tassel of His cloak, isa lang ang ibig sabihin nito. These people are desperate. People who are poor enough to be desperate. Siguro wala na silang ibang pamamaraan to experience healing. Probably they have given already everything that they had just to experience healing, and yet they all failed in those things. Kaya nga ang tanging nakikita nilang pamamaraan is for them to touch the Lord. Kung ito yung pong description natin ng poverty, then everybody is poor. Lahat tayo. Lahat tayo mahirap. Because everybody, each one of us here, is longing to be touched, to touch the Lord. Yun ang poverty talaga po eh. Yun ang kahirapan. When we're hoping to touch the Lord and thinking na tayo ang tumahawak sa Panginoon to receive that healing. But the truth is, it is the Lord who touch us. Hindi tayo ang humawak sa Panginoon. Ang Diyos ang humawak sa atin. At yun yung awa, mga kapatid. Yun ang tinatawag na awa. And every time that our Lord would touch our lives, it is mercy. Every time our Lord look upon us with grace, it is mercy. Every time we receive forgiveness from the Lord, it is mercy. Every time that we experience healing in our life, it is mercy.